Hi everybody, today I'm going to walk you through how to build a product manually on the STIHL website. So let's go to My Inventory, then Add an Offer. Now since we're making a new one, we're going to click on Create a Product. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to select the product category. It's going to start off with the most broad, and then we're going to work our way down to the most specific. If you look and you can't find this category that is exactly the one you want to do, just do the one that's closest and we will work with that later. Now once that has been selected, the rest of the page is going to open up. Now we're going to fill in the product name. And so when we do this, we just want the name of the product. If it happens to come in different sizes or colors, leave that out. We will be able to fill that in later. Now we'll put in our brand name there. And next we're going to put in the description. Keep it simple and interesting and use it to sell your product. If there are any kind of special requirements or allergy info, any of that kind of stuff, put that in the description. Next we're going to drop in the keywords. So our search looks at the product name, the brand, and the description already. So if that's filled in just fine, you're not going to have any problems there. But you can add additional keywords. Just make sure each word or phrase is separated by a comma. Now we select our catalog. The default is stihls.com, but now we're going to go find what category it specifically fits. So like in this case, it's going to be like, are these pencils going to be meant for kids? If I want to, I could have them go for scrapbook. I can choose whatever. Now I'll also choose the country of origin. You can select an age range to help out with the search results as well. We can also select a gender too. Now we upload images. So the images are going to be an important part of selling the product, so make sure that you have high quality images. So you're just going to select those. The first one is the product group image. It's going to have, it's like your main focus of the page. And the rest are just going to be alternate angles or lifestyles and other kind of imagery that will help sell the product. Once we have these images selected, we'll now move to section 3, offer characteristics. Now we're going to get a little bit more specific into the product. The first thing we're going to add is our SKU, like that's what you use to identify that item. And now we're going to drop in our MSRP. We do this so that once it's on sale on STIHLs, we can compare to it. Now other information that is optional but recommended is the weight, put in the weight of the product. That will help out when you ship it out. If it comes in different sizes or colors, you can put those there. The next required section is variant image. This is the image of the product itself. The ones we uploaded before were to kind of help sell it, get it in the environment, but this is specifically for that product. On to offer information. The condition of the product is always new, and now we're going to put in our quantity. That's how much we have on inventory. Now we're going to select our price. That is what we're charging customers for on stihls.com. With the logistics class, it is automatically put onto default logistics, and that will point with the weight. But if we want to, we can set it to something else. We can set it to custom, for example. We can set it to free if we have those enabled. But most of the time, let's just leave it on default. The rest of these are completely optional. You don't need to worry about filling those out. An important one though is offer SKU. Make sure that is the SKU that you use in your warehouses. Another useful feature is quantity alert. Just put in a minimum stock, and so once your stock reaches that number, you'll get notifications from us so you don't just sell out unexpectedly. Now promotional discount price doesn't need to be filled in right now, but say you want to run a sale in the future, so you put in that specific sale price, and now you can select a time frame for when you want the sale to run. So you want to run it from that Sunday to this Sunday. Now you have that in, you can click on the green Submit for Approval button. The product will be built and it will end up in our approval queue. Stihls.com will approve it and it will soon be up for sale.